Hello, dear viewers. Today we will dive into the world of proxy services and take a look at 922 Proxy, a platform that offers a wide selection of proxy servers for various needs. If you are looking for reliable and fast proxies, then this video is for you. On the 922 Proxy website, you will find numerous pricing plans suitable for both personal use and business. Let's take a look at what they offer. Let's start with the prices. 922 Proxy offers several plans. Standard plan, starting at $10 per month for 5 proxies. This is a great option for those who are just starting out. Premium plan, starting at $30 per month for 20 proxies. Here you get higher speed and connection stability. Business plan, starting at $100 per month for 100 proxies. This plan is perfect for companies that need reliable solutions for handling large volumes of data. It's also worth noting that 922 Proxy offers a trial period so you can test the service before making a purchase. Now let's talk about the advantages of using 922 Proxy. First, there is high connection speed. Proxy servers provide stable internet access without delays, which is especially important for streaming and online gaming. Second, 922 Proxy offers a wide range of geolocations. You can choose proxies from different countries, allowing you to bypass geographical restrictions and access content that is unavailable in your region. Third, security. All proxy servers are secure, ensuring your anonymity online. This is especially important for those who value their privacy. In conclusion, 922 Proxy is an excellent choice for those looking for reliable and fast proxy servers. With a variety of plans and high-quality services, you are sure to find the right option for yourself. Don't forget to check out their website via the link in the description to learn more.